Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And I'm quickly making this video right now from an event because I'm over in Dubai at the AIBC conference, but it's because the crypto space is pumping so ridiculously much that I just had to quickly give you guys an update. Anyway, right now, hopefully I should hold it like this. You can see, but Bitcoin is just absolutely going insane. It actually has gone above 24 point something thousand dollars, and I already in the Telegram just posted one of my trades here that is in roughly 16% profit, as it only took a 2x long to be on the safe side here. But look at our entry at 21.7 thousand, and there's the current price at 23.4. But actually, as you could probably already see, you can see right here, the entire crypto market is up like 20% today. Bitcoin up 17.7, Ethereum up 15%, BNB up 13, XRP, funny enough, only 6%. But that's, again, like I already described to you guys yesterday, probably because of all of this FUD regarding Silicon Valley Bank. Let's see here. And in reality, a lot of that FUD is well placed. In regards to why the crypto market is pumping right now, I think it's partially because Circle is pumping up the markets. I mean, it got properly backed again. I know SVB didn't get the savior that we expected. And by the way, over in the US, I believe the S&P and a lot of the, or no, it's not the S&P, it's a lot of major bank indices or major bank stocks. They all got halted, just to be sure. You can see it right here, actually in front of me. Multiple bank stock trading halted over volatility, which was a little bit earlier. And if we take a look at the, some of the indices, basically, a lot of bank stocks are just doing really, really bad. And I'm guessing it's like the old adage that we always say, cryptocurrencies pump because of this banking system, right? I mean, at the end of the day, you have to realize for yourself, I'm not sure if you guys can hear me when I'm there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me whenever I'm in that, that little screen right there. Anyway, you all know the crypto market was mostly designed to kind of remedy this entire financial structure that was built a long time ago. And so to see the banking space, I'm gonna stand here a little bit, in such a negative situation, I guess that's just in reality what cryptos should pump for and what they were built for. And to see then that literally these stocks have to be broken up or stopped, it's because if you think about it, the entire system is messed up. And right now, I honestly believe many people are running to their bank to cash out or at least do something, because the fact that depositors got their money back with SVB, but in reality, all the investors, all the other guys are still screwed, it gets you kind of scared. And the fact that all these other crypto banks are piece by piece also shutting themselves down, it gets you a little bit afraid of what might happen next. And again, guys, just wanted to quickly give you all an update that the crypto market is pumping. And if you're wondering why, I think two main reasons. One, the banking industry is just getting hurt a lot right now. It's just, it's pretty crazy. And then, oh, that's, I thought it was like a bug. And then second of all, like you probably also understand, Circle USDC has backed itself up. They're back at $1 per USDC, so that's also quite proper. And I think that's about it. Again, banking stocks have also been halted, and crypto's just pumping back up. Bitcoin up 20%. It's been pretty wild. I've been following all the news, and I've also been posting a lot over on my Twitter. Hopefully, you guys have been following me. You can check it out right here. I've been posting all the things that are ongoing right now. Feels as if the crypto bull market is back, but we have yet to see all about that. All we know is that the crypto market right now is doing pretty damn well. And yeah, that's about it for right now. Hopefully, I'll see you guys later in another crypto video. But this, again, like I said, the last couple of days have showcased just how fragile this age-old banking system really is. And yeah, that's about it for now. See you guys later in another one.